Okay, so next presentation from ENSCI. Yeah. Okay.
Hello everyone, we are the ENSCI, and my name is Yaika Kobi.
My name is Takuro, and my name is Charlie.
And my name is Koji Ogawa.
So I first started to research in the Ueno area in Tokyo and Chiba, center of Chiba, like Kibol we have been to. And before we research, we discussed about our theme, and we decided to focus on children because during the first day of the workshop, we knew the population of the agriculture population in France and Japan. And in France, the population of agriculture is increasing year by year, but in Japan it's decreasing. So that's why we focus to improve the population of agriculture, and especially we focus on children because children is the furniture important part in agriculture. And after we selected the photo from our research and put out the keyword related to the pleasure, because the pleasure is really important to get attract the people's awareness.
So from this research, we set our goal, and this means that we suggest that children make a chance to touch us, their soil or plant, and so to get the children awareness for the agriculture through the experiments. So we think about the awareness. It's three meanings. One of the first is the process of the growing plants, and second, an essential needs, and the third, equipment and the technique and knowledge and the technology. And we said the end for children. Many children act some attraction in the museum in our research. So we think about many children need to touch anything and real one. Yeah. And so when the children achieve someone, it very makes a fun. Yeah, it's a very important thing we think of.
So, and to realize the two end and awareness, so we decided to focus on the circle of agriculture. So that is ordinary agriculture circle. Write this video. So at first, cultivating and planting and take care and eat crop and eat or cook, resolve hard senses and do process. And after the wasting and cultivating and make manure field with compost.
And so, based on this ordinary cycle of agriculture, we imagine our own cycle for the children. The first goal is, like Claude said, is to allow the children to experience by their own the process of agriculture. But also, the fact that this is a cycle means that it can repeat itself through months and years.
So let's take a look at the cycle. So the first step of the cycle
cycle starts at the beginning of the school year. So each student has to choose between 10 species of plants and to one. And you will keep it through actually 6 months. The plant is in a small jar. What we mean by a small jar is a small jar that can be portable, and so the children can actually keep the plants with him and to every places that he goes. And also that the jar has some sensors and some information which are connected to a database. All the jars are connected through a database which can be accessed by the city community. So then the customers, the students, the professional farmers, and the teacher can access and can see what are the process in school. Then, to go back to the children, the first place that the children goes every day is basically school. So we imagine that when the children arrive at school, he can use special furniture who will help the growing process of the plant through that gives some water and some artificial light when the student is in class. Second place, huge place is the city. So this is what I said about the portable plant, which means that by carrying the plants to everywhere it goes, the plant can grow through the natural weather and the sun. And the last place is obviously the home. Here we can imagine that the child has also a toolkit that allows him to cut the more vegetation and to give some water. And after about 6 months, of course, the children will pick up all the fruits and the vegetables. And here is the step 2 of the process, which means that all the fruits and the vegetables that the children are making grow, and all the efforts that he has made through the 6 first months has to be achieved by something. So we imagine that the child has to pick up and also to choose a recipe that he will have to make with the fruits. With the vegetables. But the thing is, in a recipe you have several ingredients, so you cannot make the recipe with only one vegetable. So the goal of that recipe is actually to exchange with the other students of the class, because everyone has picked up one species. So the goal is to exchange the species to get all the ingredients to make the recipe. And then comes the cooking class, so we can make, when the student has all the ingredients and the vegetable that he needs, we can make the cooking class. And also can put the waste to make some compost, and also we can imagine a school furniture where everybody can put the waste. And at the end, the last step of the cycle is to actually give to transmit to the next generation the plant that you use through the months, through the process.
and we made the scenario more detailed. And the beginning is the children, when children enter the school, children build their own food and their own species from the school. After we hope these children who take part in this workshop, this agriculture class, will become to the farmer in the city.